Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video we're going to be doing a little bit of exhaust work on the car. I'm going to be cutting out my secondary cats as well as replacing my exhaust tips with our own carbon fiber exhaust tips, which are these ones right here. So I'm just going to be heading out to the shop and yeah. So we're finished with the secondary cat delete on the car, as well as getting the carbon fiber and performance exhaust tips installed, which are these ones right here, and it looks very nice on the car, especially with all the other carbon fiber around the car as well. Now with the secondary cat delete on the car, it's extremely loud, much more louder than before. The setup that I was running before this, it was just my muffler delete as well as my catless style pipes, but you know, now I have a full straight pipe along with the catless style pipes as well. But yeah, I'm gonna throw in a couple of clips for you guys and show you guys how a full straight pipe T35 IS sounds like. If you guys are interested in the carbon fiber and performance exhaust tips, we do have them available on our website. I'll leave the link down for you guys in case you guys want to check that out. But besides that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, so we got the T35 IS here with the full straight pipe exhaust. No cats, no res, no muffler, no secondary cats.
me a rev.